New traders, listen up. I'm going to reveal the one thing you need to pay attention to so you can start picking the stock market's biggest winners. You ready? Let's do this. It's Trade Talk Tuesday. Hey, my name is Brian Bottarelli, former CBOE trader and head trade tactician of the War Room. Today, I'm going to reveal the one thing you need to pay attention to so you can start picking the stock market's biggest winners. You ready? Here's the secret. Watch what the wags are buying.
Why don't you explain this to me like I'm 5?
Don't get me wrong, wags, it's not a negative term at all. It stands for wives and girlfriends. It's used in Europe all the time. And if you're a young trader living at home, feel free to throw your mom into that equation too. So wives, girlfriends, and you know what? Throw the moms in. Here's why, okay? Wags, they know the trends. They're the first adopters and they're the ones spending the money. If you pay attention, they will lead you directly to the market's biggest winners. Let's take Lulu, for example, right? Think back 15 years ago to the first time you heard about a wag spending $100 for a pair of yoga pants. Your head nearly exploded, right? Like $100 for yoga pants? No freaking way. Well, Lulu 15 years ago was a $3 stock. Today, it's $422. I mean, that's 140x your money. 5,000 would have grown into over $700,000. And that's just one example. Starbucks, right? Like 15 years ago, everyone's lining up for Frappuccinos. You're like, what? No way. Well, Starbucks 15 years ago was a $5 stock. Today, it's over 120. How about Ulta, right? A specialty retail cosmetics store. Wags don't want to go buy their shampoos at Target. They want a store specifically designed for those products. Well, Ulta 15 years ago was a $6 stock. Today, it's over 370. Point is, if you follow the wags, they'll lead you directly to the stock market's biggest winners. If you like this approach and you want to use this method to start hitting winners, then you're invited to get my top 5 picks for $5. Click that link below to get started. And then thanks for watching. I'm Brian. Stop hating, start trading, and I'll see you soon.